he created a warrior religion, that is Sikhism. Guru Gobind Singh started Sikhism just to save Hinduism. So much wealth. Do you think that you will be able to take it with you? So enjoy your wealth and do some punya and distribute to at least 10% to the poor people. One story I wanted to tell you that a very miser person, he did not donated anything for Gurdwara, for anything. So just to give him a lesson, Nanak went into his house and he said that, look, I want to, can you serve me? I want some favor from you. The rich man said, yes, Guru, whatever you say, I will do. The Nanak gave him a needle. He said, keep this needle with you. When I am dead, I will go to the other world. And after your death, you will also go to the other world. So give this needle back to me in the other world. The rich man said that, how can it possible? I cannot take this needle with me when I die. Then Nanak said, then why you are keeping so much money, so much wealth? Do you think that you will be able to take it with you? So enjoy your wealth and do some punya and distribute to at least 10% to the poor people. So that was the way of it. That changed that rich person. So that was the way of his teaching, and he has transformed many people. At that time, Sikh Dharma was not a separate religion. It was a small following of Nanak. No? Actually, Guru Gobind Singh, 10th Guru, he formulated the Sikhism after maybe 200 years after Nanak. But that time, just rebellious people were following Nanak, as you are following Osho. No? Maybe after 200 years, there will be another Guru Gobind Singh in Osho, Osho community. Who knows, no? And he will start a religion, Osho religion, or Rajneesh Dharma. But future we don't know. There will be many genius. And Guru Gobind Singh did a great favor. Guru Gobind Singh started Sikhism just to save Hinduism. They say that if we are the guards of Hinduism. We are not a separate religion, because Hinduism was in danger and Hindus were converted forcefully in Islam, and there were a lot of tortures. Hindu has to pay extra tax, jizya. If you are Hindu, you have to pay extra tax. So they call it jizya tax now. And there are many austerities, many violence against. So just to protect this culture, he created a warrior religion, that is Sikhism. No? I said that every Sikh has to carry a weapon. Even ladies, no, they should carry a weapon, and they should be always ready to fight. Hindus were influenced by Buddha, Mahavira, and Shankaracharya, so they were not warrior, they had become very coward. So they could not fight. Because of Mahavira and Buddha and Shankaracharya, he created a warrior community, that everybody has to carry a weapon and always ready to fight and sacrifice your life. No? Sacrifice became the main stream in Sikhism, and Sikh has really protected Hindus, Hindu girls, Hindu property, Hindu temples. So that way Sikhism is born.